Okay, suppose the demand for a certain function, for a certain product is given by this function of D equals x squared plus x plus 4. P represents the price in dollars. Currently the price is $11. So it's wanting us to know what the change in demand will be when we increase the price by $1. So what the marginal demand means is when you have so many units, take that derivative, and if you plug how many ever units you have into that derivative, that will give you the price, what the change will be for one more. Okay, so if I take the demand function, if I take and these were really supposed to be p's right here, I wrote x's, but anyway, d prime of p is 2p plus 6. So to find the change in demand as price goes from $11 to $12, you plug 11 into that derivative, and that will tell you of how that changes for one more dollar. So 2 times 11 plus 6, 22 plus 6 is 28. The demand changes to 28 whenever you change the price from 11 to 12.